Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to print a nozzle check, which is like a test page on an Epson WF-2540. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the machine. So to get going, we need to go into Settings, as shown here, which we do by pressing the menu button. And now we go down 3 to Maintenance and press OK to go into Maintenance. And as you can see, nozzle check is the very first option here. So we just press OK again. Obviously to print a page, you will need paper in there. Then we press Start to get going. And once the page has been spat out, we take a look at it to see the result. Now, this should be an entire block of patterns similar to what the cyan and the magenta look like here, like solid gate patterns. This top one should be a nice pure yellow, which unfortunately it's not, and free of the breakages we can see on the black here. Now, all this indicates is that we're going to need to do some cleaning cycles on this printer, which thankfully the printer takes us to immediately over here. So you can do the head cleaning, which forces ink through the print head, dislodges any dried ink there, and hopefully gets you up and running. So that'll be a natural next step for us, since we clearly have some issues with the black and some serious issues with the yellow. So you can carry on like this, doing cleaning cycles and printing test pages until you see an improvement in your print quality. And hopefully that sorts it for you. It's possible that there is a genuine issue with the printer's print head. So if you don't see an improvement, at least in those 1 to 3 prints with a machine of this age, it might be that it's genuinely on its way out. But I hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, let me know with a like. Chuck anything else you'd like to add down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.